Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all a how-to video, and this one is for how to make a diya. Now everyone may spell it differently, so I'm giving you both spellings. The diya is used for Diwali and also for religious events in a Hindu's life. So, Diwali is right around the corner, and Diwali is known as the Festival of Lights. It is also known as Deepavali, which means a row of lights. Diwali is the biggest festival celebrated by Hindus in India and other countries around the world, including Trinidad and Tobago. It is celebrated to commemorate the return of Lord Ram and Sita. Lord Ram, the god of virtue, and Sita, the reincarnation of Mother Lakshmi, after 14 years of exile. For Diwali, we give thanks to Mother Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of wealth and prosperity. The festival signifies that light triumphs dark and good triumphs evil. During Diwali, Hindus fast to show their devotion. On the day, Lakshmi Puja is done and Indian delicacies along with prayers, aka vegetarian food, is served. When the night comes, diyas are lit. A diya is a clay oil lamp with a cotton wick. It is used for worship and to decorate or line the streets. This is what was done so that Lord Ram and Sita could find their way back to Ayodhya, to their kingdom. All Hindus desire to be blessed by Mother Lakshmi, and if your house is not lit with diyas, she will not enter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this how-to video on how diyas are made in Trinidad.